How to change language in PowerPoint presentation. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change language in your PowerPoint presentation. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step is open up your PowerPoint presentation. After you do that, on the top left, you'll see Files option. Tap on Files and you'll be on your Files section. Now right here on the bottom left corner, you'll find an option called Options. Tap on Options, and after you tap on Options, you'll get this pop-up. Now right here on the left hand side, you'll find different options including Language. Tap on Language, and after you tap on Language, you'll see two different sections. First is Office Display Language, the other is Office Authoring Language and Proofing. So wherever you want to change your language, you can simply tap on this Add Language button. It's available in both of these. So tap on Add a Language, and from here you can simply add a language. So let's search for a language. So I'm just gonna go with French, and after you select a language, you can tap on Install. You can tap on Install again and wait for it to install. After it installs, your language will get changed in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And yeah, that's basically it. Now we can wait while this is done, and while this is doing its thing, you can go down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So as you can see, it's downloading the Microsoft Office updates, and after it's done doing that, you'll see an option that says French right here, from which you can change it up and down. You can just simply select it and then tap on OK. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.